Hey guys, Callie here. In this video, I'm going to teach you a secret / not so secret ninja hack to monitor your wallet 24/7 and actually get alerts on your phone anytime a transaction takes place in your wallet. That way, if something is out of the blue, you can get an alert rather than just, I don't know, I guess finding out about it later. So you're going to want to be on the chain. Let's say, most of you are going to have a Metamask wallet and then be on BSC, right? Because that's where most of the things happen. I'm just going to pick this random address here. But what you're going to want to do is type in your address to your Metamask wallet, the wallet that you want to watch and monitor. So you're going to type it in. And once you do that, you'll see your address there. You're going to click on this little heart. And when you click on this heart, it's going to ask you to log into your account. So I'll be right back. I'm going to log into my account. I'm just going to pause the video and then we'll take a look at how to add it. So I've logged in. If you don't have a login, then you'll have to create one. It's going to ask you to sign up for a new account. When you do that, make sure that you connect it to an email address where you get alerts on your phone, right? So you want to connect it to an email address where you'll get alerts on your phone. And then what you can do is give that your wallet a description. So you could say like MetaMask and then the last 4 digits of your wallet. I don't know. Let's say the last 4 digits of your wallet. In this case, it would be D12. Okay, or name it whatever you want. Name it to whatever makes sense for you. And you're going to turn this on. Notify on incoming and outgoing transactions. Click on that. Also track BEP20 transfers. Also click on that and click on continue. And now anytime a transfer happens or an incoming or outgoing transaction happens, you will get an alert on your phone. So if you're playing basketball and you get an alert on your phone that a transaction is happening and you're not the one doing it, then, it just gives you an alert. It puts like a little watchdog on your account. Okay, you should know that you will have to create an account for each and every single chain. So just because you set it up on BSC, you will only get BSC alerts. If you wanted to do it on FTM, then you would have to go to FTM scan, right? And let's just find an address here. So you would go here and then you would click on the heart all the same, but you would need to create a login and a password for FTM scan. So it doesn't transition, but you just go through the same process. I hope this short tip is helpful. And yeah, set up your watchdog and that way you can get alerts. All right, catch you guys soon.